To connect three TVs together and display the same content on all of them, we need to understand HDMI splitters, the most common and cost-effective solution for multi-TV synchronization. An HDMI splitter takes a single HDMI source, like a cable box or gaming console, and duplicates the signal to send identical video and audio to multiple TVs simultaneously. Here's what a real HDMI splitter looks like. This device has multiple HDMI output ports and requires power to maintain strong signal quality across all connected displays. For connecting three TVs specifically, you need a 1x3 HDMI splitter. This device has one HDMI input and three HDMI outputs, allowing you to connect a single source to three different televisions. It's crucial to choose a powered splitter, especially for 4K content or longer HDMI cables. The power ensures the signal remains strong and prevents degradation that can cause poor picture quality or connection issues. Recent advancements include splitters supporting 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision. Consider these features if you have high-end TVs and want future-proof connectivity for the best possible picture quality. HDMI splitters are the foundation of multi-TV synchronization. They duplicate your source signal to display identical content across multiple screens, making them essential for any 3-TV setup. Setting up your 3-TV connection begins with the physical connections. The process follows a simple chain: source device to splitter, then splitter to each TV. First, connect your source device to the HDMI input on the splitter using a high-quality HDMI cable. This carries your content signal to be distributed. Next, connect each of the three outputs on the splitter to the HDMI inputs on your TVs. Each TV will receive an identical copy of the source signal. Cable quality is crucial for optimal performance. For 4K content and runs over 10 feet, premium high-speed HDMI certified cables are essential to prevent signal degradation. A critical limitation to understand is resolution and refresh rate matching. All connected TVs will be limited to the capabilities of the weakest display in your chain. Audio synchronization can become an issue with longer cable runs. Enhanced Audio Return Channel, or EARC, helps maintain sync, but you may need external audio delay adjustment for optimal performance. Finally, ensure your splitter supports HDCP 2.2 or 2.3 for streaming content compatibility. This digital copy protection system must be properly handled throughout the entire signal chain.